These are the top 5 craziest bird sounds you won't believe are real. At number 5, the northern mockingbird. This bird can copy over 200 sounds, dogs, cats, even car alarms. Yup, nature's little DJ. Number 4, the American woodcock. It makes a weird peen sound and then whistles with its wings while flying. Kinda like an alien spaceship. At 3, the Tawny Frogmouth. By day, it's camouflage. By night, it growls like a motorbike. Creepy, right? Number 2, the superb Fairywren. Tiny bird, but it sounds like our 2D2 from Star Wars. Beep boop in real life. Alright, we're down to number 1, but before I reveal the craziest bird sound on the planet, do me a favor, smash the like button like a woodpecker on espresso, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next wild countdown. Okay, ready? And number 1, the lyrebird. The greatest impressionist in nature. It can copy anything, chainsaws, camera shutters, alarms, you name it. Nature's ultimate sound machine.